Easy installation. This wireless trailer light magnetic LED has a built-in battery and can be easily mounted on the left and right rear of a car's metal. Powerful magnetic base grips tightly while driving, tested up to 60 miles per hour, but won't come off. Professional design. Wireless trailer lights offering versatility in location and operation with no wiring restrictions. These trailer lights' magnetic wireless light bars have a built-in antenna that provides a working range of over 100 feet, 30.5 meters, and a signal transmitter that keeps you and others around you safe when you need to use your trailer lights while towing, whether it's at night or during the day. High-performance trailer towing light come with 4 functions: rear position light, rear turn signal, brake light function. Use magnet to adsorb the rear of the cargo truck emitting device for 4-pin TM3051 foldable piug PVC amp, standard connector. Plug into the cargo truck tail light connector socket can be. Excellent quality. The magnetic base is made of stronger ABS plastic, which provides great insulation, impact and shock resistance, weather resistance, waterproof IP67 design, strong fog permeability, dust-proof and anti-corrosion, working temperature -20°C-65, can also work normally in bad weather conditions, service life up to 50,000 hours. Wide application. The wireless tail light features a magnetic base that adheres to most metal surfaces. Just plug the 7-pin transmitter into your 7-way connector and position the wireless LED tow light to mount on your vehicle. Suitable for RVs, campers, boat trailers, utility trailers, farm equipment or jet ski, etc. Not compatible with 2021 Chevy Silverado. Closing parenthesis. Top reviews from the United States. Highly recommend. Great product, nice case to keep the pieces in and phenomenal customer service. We misplaced a piece to our set and was mailed a new one no charge.